Hi, I'm Niko. I'm a site reliability engineer in the Vienna office. I'm a hybrid Dynatracer, so I come here 2 days a week into our beautiful Vienna office. My onboarding started in November 2024, and my first day was I grabbed my laptop, I grabbed my coffee, chatted with my colleagues, and then I started to check my emails, and that's the first thing you should do. You will get a lot of invites for onboarding sessions on your first day. It's already starting. And after that, you will also have, if you work in R&D like me, you will have also some onboarding sessions in the upcoming weeks. So it's tightly packed. Don't stress too much. It is a lot of information at the beginning, but you will get enough time to fit all the information into your head. And that's basically the main thing that you should take care of. I was reading a lot of documentation afterwards in the upcoming weeks, also in Confluence, in Backstage, in SharePoint. But that's basically the Dynatrace spirit. Ask around, build up your network, know your people, know the teams that are here, get in touch with them, ask around, and you will get your help. So everyone here is basically helping you out if you need help and have questions. What I also like to mention is I was coming from a mid-sized company, so like 200 employees, and you might think Dynatrace is a huge company. Does it really fit to me? And after 5 months, I can tell you it totally works. Very agile, it's super fast. Of course, you have to talk to a lot of people in the end, depending on your position, but it's a great experience, I have to say, and it's totally worth it.